Let's make this delicious Rafaello cake. If you like Rafaello chocolates, then this cake is for you. First, we will start by making a basic European sponge cake by whisking 6 eggs for about a minute. Then gradually add in 1 cup of caster sugar and continue whisking for about 8 minutes until the mixture becomes light in color and full of body. Then we will gradually add in 1 cup of sifted flour and baking powder and gently fold it in. Make sure to check the bottom for any flour pockets. Transfer this mixture into a lined cake pan. Today I will be making a 3-layer cake, so I'll be baking 2 trays of this mixture. Bake in the oven for 25 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius until golden brown. Once the cake is out of the oven, we can transfer it to a cooling rack after about 5 to 10 minutes to cool for about 30 to 45 minutes. While the cake is cooling, let's make the icing. First, we will need to whisk 400 ml of thickened cream, then add in 250 grams of condensed milk, then add in 100 grams of melted white chocolate, and finally add in 70 grams of coconut and combine all the ingredients. Once the cake is cooled, we can cut it evenly in half and get started on the icing. We will start icing this cake by lightly soaking the base with a mixture of milk and condensed milk before applying the icing to add more moisture to the cake, and then generously spread the icing across the layers. Once you finish icing, you can decorate it using Rafaello chocolates. This is how I decorated mine. Now for the exciting part, let's cut ourselves a slice. This turns out absolutely delicious. It's delicate, light and fluffy with the flavors of white chocolate and coconut. Enjoy!